About this item: maximum airflow. The FreshJet 3 Series rooftop air conditioner delivers powerful and quiet performance, with 13% higher cooling capacity and 15% more airflow. Our lightest one yet, 14% lighter than our lightest unit, weighing only 64 pounds. Quiet. Enjoy restful nights with a 4 dB reduction in noise level for more restful sleep. E-coated evaporator coils. Dometic is the only company in the RV industry using this revolutionary design. E-coating is a flexible epoxy polymer coating process engineered specifically for HVAC heat transfer coils. Exceptional flexibility and durability. E-coat adhesion properties and flexibility of the coating material provides excellent coil coverage and corrosion resistance. Backwards compatible. Keep your existing ADB and upgrade your unit, makes setting up easy. Non-duct units, polished, modern look, sustainable design, requiring 28% less refrigerant than its predecessors. Lightweight construction, lighter design reduces weight load and is easy to install. Turbo airflow. The innovative blower system quietly moves an average of 350 cubic feet of cool air per minute, providing a faster cool down in hot ambient temperatures. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: maximum airflow. The FreshJet 3 Series rooftop air conditioner delivers power